G'day guys, welcome back to DIY Dial. Haven't done a video for a while, but today we're going to be looking at this. This is a 125cc atomic pit bike. Looks like it's been through hell and back. It has recently, but this is how I got the bike. I only paid maybe $100 for this a few years ago, I can't remember now. The chain had come off and smashed apart all the stator and everything, so I fixed it up and I really haven't ridden it. So got pulled out a couple of weeks ago and taken out, and there was a few minor little issues that we fixed up. But Sunday just gone, we seized it. So first time I took it out about probably 4 or 5 weeks ago, put some oil in it, and it was okay. There was something wrong with the plug wire and everything that we fixed up, and it was actually running pretty good. But I didn't even think to recheck the oil, and apparently it uses some, so it did seize up. It didn't lock up, but it definitely seized up, and well, it started to seize up. But yeah, you could turn the motor over and whatnot. Anyway, I got home, threw some WD-40 in it down the plug hole, and it started. So I think I'm gonna have a guesstimation here. I think what's happened is, because these have like a ball bearing in the bottom end, not like a white metal bearing that you would find in a car engine or anything like that. What I think's happened is the compression rings are still good, because it does start and run. It does run pretty good. Doesn't make any extra, knocks and bangs and noises any more than a normal pit bike would. But it blows smoke like no tomorrow. I'm going to start it and we'll have a look. But we're going to pull it apart and see what's up. If it is only a top end, I'll probably rebuild it, because they're so cheap. I mean, for under $100 I can buy a whole cylinder or a whole bore, piston, rings, and all the head gaskets and stuff that go with it. So I mean, it's pretty easy fix. I don't reckon the bottom end's going to be hurt. Maybe a little bit, but not enough for me to care. Let's see if it starts. That was a cold start too. I haven't started this thing today. First kick on the choke. So I don't think the compression rings are hurt, but we're going to find out. I'm going to pressure wash it, and then I was going to pull it apart, leave the engine in, but I think I'm going to take the engine out, just in case I do decide to split the casings. I don't want to have to muck around and pull half an engine out with the piston flopping around. So let's pressure wash it and get it on the operating table. Righto guys, got it all apart. Bottom end seems fine. There's no, extraordinary noises in there. That rod's got absolutely no play to it. Cam chain seems fine. You can see down here some damage on the ball there. Can't feel it. General rule of thumb, if you can feel it with your fingernail, if your fingernail gets caught up on it, the scratches means the bore's stuffed. But I've had this running, so that would have taken any serious scoring out of it.
like any sharp edges and that, so it's getting replaced. I'm not leaving it like that. Same with the piston. You see the piston that's where it grabbed. Yeah, you see these measurements here. Now that's not 0.3759, that's 3.759. That's the ring gap. Could have measured it, instead of using this, I could have measured it with a ruler. They're bad. You can see there, that's the top ring, that's the ring gap. Believe it or not, they actually fit in there. It's pretty bad. These are the measurements I found online for a similar engine, not this exact one, but I couldn't imagine there would be that much difference between them. So it's staffed. So yeah, we'll jump online, order some parts for this. I'll buy a bore and a piston. Got to find, from what I can see, there's a 13 to 14 mil gudgeon pin. So we'll have to suss that out. But yeah, jump online, we'll order some parts and put it back together. Hopefully. In the meantime, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.